Many times when I speak with directors या writers, they say कि हमारी फिल्म ना 1990s में सेट है क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया का एंगल अगर हमारी स्टोरी में आ गया तो स्क्रीन प्ले के कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स खत्म हो जाएंगे। आंसर्स जो हैं आजकल आसानी से मिल जाते हैं हर चीज के। एक अदद इंसान है लेकिन बॉलीवुड में हु ओवर एंड ओवर बार बार सोशल मीडिया वाले प्लॉट्स की तरफ ही अग्रसर हो रही हैं। I think Ananya Pandey's current career point and choices are actually a treatise in the many ways real and digital lives cannot be separated anymore. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel जहां इस हफ्ते 3 रिव्यूज हैं। झीनी बिनी चदरिया का आ गया, जोकर 2 का आएगा, पर इन दोनों के बीच में अभी लो विक्रमादित्य मोटवाने's कंट्रोल starring Ananya Pandey in the lead role. Right after Call Me Bay, Ananya is playing yet another character whose real name has given way to a nickname. Nandini is now Nella, in the other one, Bay was actually Bella. I'm telling you, इनकी choices अभी study करनी है what the world looks like for a 25-year-old who lives in Mumbai and Delhi and has means and access. Playing Ananya's love interest one more time is Vihan Samant. He's Nella's live-in partner, Joe Mascarenas. Together, they run a hugely successful video vlogging channel. Things are seemingly perfect until they're not. The couple breaks up. Nella uses an AI tool to purge Joe from her life. Things take a weird turn when Joe also goes missing IRL. Has AI become sentient and killed Joe? Or has he just decided to go underground? Because frankly, I can't imagine what it is like to run a vlogging channel and not want to run away from it all on a daily basis. Aesthetics की tension कितनी और कब तक लेगा इंसान? Shot for the most part in the screen live format made popular by 2018 Searching. पैंडेमिक के पहले साल में फहद फाजिल की और दर्शना राजेंद्रन की See You Soon भी आई थी. Motwane's Control is the kind of movie that makes you feel guilty about spending 5 hours on Instagram at night, and through its runtime makes you replace that guilt with paranoia. Light-hearted Gen Z rom-com के premise से शुरू होकर ये मोटवाने प्लस अविनाश संपत स्क्रीन प्ले को ब्लैक मिरर तक जाने में लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा लगता है. Perhaps because this is the film they'd started writing in 2020 when YouTube had erupted as a medium. Now the looming threat of AI और उसकी unwanted घुसपैठ हमारी लाइफ में, ये टॉपिक कंट्रोल मूवी की टारगेट ऑडियंस के लाइव्स के काफी सेंटर में ऑलरेडी है एज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. मतलब पिछले हफ्ते मेटा के ऐसे ग्लासेस से बातें करते करते चैट जीपीटी के थ्रू नई भाषाएं कैसे सीखें इसके लेसन्स की पूरी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दी है मेरे छोटे भाई ने गाड़ी में बैठे बैठे, फ्री वर्जन्स पर वो भी. तो द फैक्ट दैट वी स्पेंड सो मच टाइम इन द एरा इवन बिफोर AI comes into the picture in this film, in the screenplay, now that's too familiar bits and pieces. यशराज मुखर्जी आते हैं और वो गाना बनाते हैं. Stand-up comics turn streamers make unfunny jokes about women for too long. Nella bounces back and uses hashtags to tell people that her life is back on track. उर्फी जावेद भी दिख जाती अगर हाल ही में दिवाकर बैनर्जी की LSD 2 में नहीं नजर आई होती, प्रोवाइडिंग कॉमेंट्री ऑन आवर रिलेशनशिप विद ऑनलाइन फेम. एंड ये आयरनी भी मुझ पर लॉस्ट नहीं है कि इम्पेशंस की बढ़ती भावना है व्यूअर के अंदर भी सोशल मीडिया के ओवरयूज की वजह से ही है. बट एट द 42-minute mark, and one can check this sort of thing now because one is now watching movies also online. 42 minutes, when the real conflict shows up, I was glad to provide Control my full attention one more time. It's like here you fully realize that it wasn't just Nella watching AI talk to her all this while. AI was also watching her just the same. The more information she asks the artificial intelligence to remove, the more information she has to provide. The realization कि हम सब ही आज नहीं तो कल इस चक्कर में फंसने वाले हैं becomes stronger now, and fear sets in. Nella could be me in lonely days when either I don't have someone to share with or I can't be asked calling up a human person. That's exactly how I might behave. Think about it. आगे ही 30s में पहुंचते पहुंचते फ्रेंड सर्कल्स आपके ऐसे हो जाते हैं. अब अगर बचे कुचे 3-4 लोगों से भी बात करने की जरूरत ना पड़े, महसूस ही ना हो, तो कोई क्यों ना बन जाएगा स्पाइक जोन्स की हर का थियोडोर टॉम्बली. स्कारलेट जोहानसन की जगह इस फिल्म में वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट की आवाज है अपार शक्ति खुराना, who in real life spent years as a radio show host. I know this because we used to host radio shows together back in the day. FM की airwaves virtual reality से चाहे कितनी ही दूर थी, लेकिन in a manner of speaking, we were selling the same thing then also. A friend who you cannot see, who you don't know, but that friend is there to give you relatable life advice. Only now, this friend can permanently alter your brain chemistry before you know it. Point is that everything in this Vikramaditya Motwane film is thought out. It is pointed.
क्या आप जानती हैं कि मैं आपकी सेवा में क्या कुछ कर सकता हूँ? take control of my life.
जैसे सुमुखी सुरेश का डायलॉग might not be extraordinarily memorable, but it is necessary. Because as a millennial and as a content creator, she is well versed with internet speak. Very well versed. Now, thanks to combined know-how of this writing team, characters in this film don't just post one thing and then overnight virality is conveyed via montage of tweets popping up and edited to over like 10 overlapping voiceovers about the content of this viral clip. You know what I'm talking about, no? So that montage comes, but it feels more real. Interactions with social media and control don't just feel genuine, they feel urgent. Motwane clearly spends time thinking about where storytelling came from, which was evident in his last work Jubilee, and where it is heading now. His 2023 docuseries Indira's Emergency still doesn't have a home, to uska pata nahi. But Control feels like a personal search for answers. His colorist Sid Meer, photographer and wife Ishika Mohan, his production house Andolan, and others, which I'm sure I missed, show up as names in these comments and emails that you see on screen. I think his 9-year-old daughter Akira is even credited as an assistant director. So, yeah, what makes Control eerie is how relatable Nella's spiral feels. She too watches videos on anxiety relief. And between that, plus the stand-up comedy clips, I saw my own algorithm reflected on screen. It's that casual 2 a.m. scroll where you're switching between dog videos, existential TED Talks, and yet another 5 steps to improve your life video. That never works. Nella is basically us in the very near future. Her life is falling apart at the hands of malicious AI, which could happen to any of us. डर लगता है ये सोचकर कि वाईफाई का सिग्नल कभी जब खराब हो जाता है तो इतने नाराज हम कैसे ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाते हैं, दुनिया रुक जाती है, दिन के कोई मायने नहीं रह जाते. मतलब इतने डिपेंडेंट हम कब हो गए? No one has any answers. Even those working in the field don't know where things are headed. Perhaps this is why Control also feels sort of incomplete. The threat of the evil AI making company Joe Mascarenas warns us about doesn't feel high stakes enough. And a lot of the built-up anticipation, by the end of it, just sort of marinates as a cautionary footnote. However, Motwane's insights and explorations are honest, और घर बैठे देखना चाह रहे हैं तो Netflix पर फिल्म स्ट्रीम हो रही है अब. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Control is 100 बार एक्स्ट्रा सोच लिया करो दोस्तों किसी वेबसाइट पर नया लॉगिन बनाने से पहले. आंख बंद करके एक्सेप्ट हम ऑल कर देते हैं, मे बी रुक जाए, पता नहीं. अब मैं आपको सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए भी बोलूँगी, पर मैं आपका कोई डेटा नहीं चुरा रही. यूट्यूब को तो ऑलरेडी सब पता है. 150,000 सब्स तक पहुंचे तो मजा आए. माय नेम इज सुचारुता. थैंक यू फॉर स्टॉपिंग बाय.